Hello, this is Anthony Carabache, and I'm going to provide you with a quick tutorial about the discussions in D2L and quickly describe the difference between a forum and a topic. This is also geared towards our Special Education Part 1 courses that are currently being offered for the summer session. Under the Discussions tab, when you click on the Discussions, you come to a Forums and Topic list. And your course comes pre-populated with several forums. And what does that mean? That means that the course writer has created a very broad idea holding tank, so to speak. This is a giant room, and each room has been labeled Discussion Forum 1, Discussion Forum 2, Discussion Forum 3, and that idea is, let's say for the first one is legislation and policy. For the second one, it's program development and planning and implementation, as you can see. So those forums come pre-made in the course. The course writer has also kind of given the instructor a bit of a hint here in that you need to create topics chosen from the readings. So I'm just going to highlight that, okay? So why is this important? It's important because a forum could exist, but if you don't have a place for your participants to go, they won't see it. So let me demonstrate. Remember discussions forums number 3, 4, 5, and 6. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the class list for this particular course, and um, I'm going to impersonate one of our students. Um, and I just want to take a look at when this student clicks on, or this participant clicks on the discussion list, you can see I have discussion forum 1, discussion forum 2, and I can't scroll down anymore. There are no discussion forums 3, 4, 5, and 6. And as I was explaining, because we haven't created a topic for that participant to go to. And so that's up to you to create that topic. Once you create that topic, then all of the groupings will apply and the student will also begin to see, um, will also begin to see what they're supposed to see. Okay, so let me hop back into the discussions and show you how to create a topic. I know right away if it's a forum by going over to the right, and I see these two little speech bubbles, and it says, would you like to add a new topic? So that is at this point, I will click and add a new topic. So for example, I could add a new topic in this forum because this is legislation and policy, and maybe this one will be called the history of special education. All right, and then I will click Save if I just want that one topic. If I want another topic as well, because I want to have as many topics to promote as much of a rich conversation, I'll click Save and New, and maybe my another topic will be about legislation itself and policy. Maybe I want a group working specifically on that. Then I'll click Save and New. Remember, I'm creating topics. Maybe I want IPRCs and IEPs discussed in this one, and then I'll click Save. So I should expect that when I go back into my list and I scroll down under Discussion Forum 1, Legislation and Policy, I have this one that I created, Topics for Module 1. I wanted to show you that there were instructions here. But look, I have a topic about history, legislation, and IPRCs. Now I expect that once I've created those, my student will be able to go in and see, or my participant. So let me just pop in as a participant one more time. And if I go in as my participant under discussions, look, now discussion forum 1 has all of these other areas. And now this is the part where the grouping tool really comes in handy. So as an instructor, I can go into discussions, and now I can start editing History of Special Education. I click on the pencil. I go to Restrictions, and I can restrict the topic to the following groups. Now, if I've set up groups, then that is where you get to check which group you want. Okay? So you'd have to have set up a group. So I'll just cancel out. Anyway, those are the basic steps you need in understanding how to use the forum and the discussions, and the very, very important piece of having a topic. That way your participants will see what you want them to see. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot.